Hey guys, thought I'd do something different for this Falcon Friday. It seems to be a bit of a theme with the page recently. This GT we've had in here before, and you probably noticed it from the Delete SUPER ROO decal. So I just thought I'd take you around this one because I think it's quite unique, being that it's got a lot of delete options and add-on options. So obviously the most noticeable is the Delete SUPER ROO decal, and obviously, yeah, people say, oh, it looks weird, and you know, it's missing, so I started missing, and yeah, you're probably right, but I think it's cool that it makes this GT a bit unique, especially when we see so many replicas these days. Nobody replicates the ones that are missing stuff, so I'll take you for a walk around, but most noticeably on this GT, if it ever gets taken back to its original spec, is it actually has a white vinyl roof, delete bonnet pins, and delete hood stripes. So obviously it's got the stripes on it now, and it doesn't have obviously the vinyl roof, but I think if it ever gets taken back, which is a possibility, this GT would be quite unique, you know, with that spec of the white vinyl roof and the delete stripes and pins on the bonnet. So yeah, just something different for this week. Cool car. Obviously, yeah, like I said, we've seen it before, but I thought, you know, just go into a bit more depth of the history of this one. So it's got a nice tan interior too. So yeah, enjoy it, and hopefully we get another one in for next week. Cheers guys.